Hello and welcome to Computerized Medical Office Management. This will be a video tutorial on how to navigate SimChart, the simulation environment you'll be using for this course. To begin, we will click on the Getting Started link of our course menu to review the textbook materials. Please note that the book bundle does need to be ordered through the Kaiser University bookstore in order to ensure that you receive an active access code. Here you can see an image of the textbook. All of your reading assignments will be based on the textbook, as well as you'll see a workflow manual. You'll be using the access code from the inside cover of the workflow manual to register for our SimChart environment. You can disregard the access code from inside the textbook. Now we'll navigate to our week 1 link to review the registration information and getting started info for SimChart. So we'll scroll past the other materials for now. And you can access the SimChart environment by clicking on this link. You can see that you have resources here on how to register, including a video tutorial, a link to the support center, as well as a 1-800 number that you can call if you need someone to walk you through the registration process. Again, to register, you'll need the access code from the inside cover of your workflow manual, as well as the course ID, which will be provided here by your instructor. If you have previously registered for SimChart and are retaking this class, you'll need to contact Evolve's tech support at their 1-800 number to transfer your registration from your old course to this course. Again, once you've registered in week 1, you can set your workflow manual aside, as we'll only be using the week 1 text. There's also some additional information down here, including this mandatory video to help you get started. However, once you've registered for SimChart, initially, from there on out, when you click on SimChart, you'll be taken to the SimChart environment, which will look something like this. And you can click on the SimChart for the medical office link in the course menu. If your pop-up blocker blocks the site from opening, you can use the manual option to open the site, but I do recommend that you turn your pop-up blocker off so that the program works best. You'll arrive on the main landing page of SimChart. For week 1, please do not open any of these blue links that you see here. Those are for weeks 2 through 4. So essentially, your textbook, which is the more colorful book, functions a lot like a workbook. You can skip all of the other activities, but you will be completing all the other activities in the textbook that you see, but you will be completing the EHR exercises from the shaded boxes in your textbook. And each week, as you have reading assignments, whatever chapters are assigned, you will be completing the EHR exercises within those chapters. And these EHR exercises, as indicated, will be completed in the EHR exercises found in the information panel in SimChart, which is right here. So you'll click on this EHR exercises link and then click on the EHR exercise button to enter into the SimChart environment. I did want to make a note that the work for the EHR exercises is a continuous environment, meaning that the work you enter in week 1 will be required to complete future activities. So just keep that in mind and remember that it's important to complete each activity, each EHR exercise within the textbook for the chapters assigned for that week. If you have any questions, please make sure to reach out. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy all the hands-on activities for the class.